So what is it you're working on today?
This is a knee brace. It's 4x6 stock. These provide the lateral stability from the posts to the cross ties and from the posts to the top plates. They will each have a 2-inch tenon on either end, and that's actually what I'm cutting now. I've already made the dimensional cut. Now I got to cut the tenons out. I've got them marked on either side, and then I'll flip them over and get the other side.
Is that the mark right there?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
Take this, which is a timber framer's slick or a shipbuilder's slick, and I clean them off.
So it smooths out the joint. How often do you have to sharpen the tool?
It's probably coming due here in a little bit. I'm starting to have to work a little bit for it. But it didn't take much. A few runs through and I'll get it. You don't have to flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side.
How do you know how smooth to make it?
Well, that bottom of those cuts were at the just about the depth I want, so you clear those out, and we stay just about there. And then I leave them a little bit proud of 2 inches so that later on, if I have to, I'll shave a little off as I install them.
Do you have to do anything with the inch that's sticking up?
What do you mean?
Like this part here?
Nope. I'll pretty these all up.
How many of these do you need?
26.
And how many have you done?
This one is 11. These go pretty fast, as you can see.
Just about 10 minutes. So in about 15 minutes you'd have one done.
And this, I'm just knocking off this stuff. I don't mind. I like this patina that's on here. So after I get them all done, but before we put them up, I will spray them with a preservative. This will darken it up a little bit more. I think it'll look good. Right now, it just looks like it was like it came right off the pile.
How much sandpaper do you go through?
With this pine quite a bit because the fat gums it up. I have a belt cleaner I use, and I try to get as much out of it as you can see. There's already a lot of crap on it. This helps extend it a little bit, but that sap is brutal.
And that's because this is pine, right?
Yeah. So now what I'll do, I have a disc sander that's got a real coarse grit on it. I use this to
As you can
just soften the edges so they're not going to be covered with splinters when I install them.
As you can see, the garage is his storage place right now. Once this gets built, all that will go in his workshop. So you're only doing the edges there? You only doing the edges?
Yeah. Yeah, that's just to soften the edges so we don't get splinters. So, this is the finished knee brace, and the way it will be will be just like that once it's installed.